Okay, guys, it's day 11 since we started our Binance Smart Chain Meme Coin Buying Challenge using DCA dollar cost average to buy PHT and other meme coins. So far, so good. We are progressing. All right, so now, as usual, we're going to buy PHT, then we'll buy another meme coin. So let's go. Swap. So with the dollar cost averaging, you see, we are not really that moved if the price is fluctuating, going up or down, okay? Because we already decided that whether the price goes up or down, we'll be buying using this year for the next 90 to 100 days, okay? So, and that's the best way to actually invest, not you putting your money all at once, or going all in at once without any backup plan. That's actually very dangerous. Okay, you having $1,000 and you use that $1,000 to buy a coin, and after using the whole $1,000 you're not expecting miracle. Okay, so 99% of the time you will be disappointed. All right, except if you are very lucky, you find a project before the hype, like the Asta that CZ tweeted about. Those who bought before CZ tweeted about it, they are massive profit right now. Those who bought it yesterday, they are currently at loss right now because it got to $2, and at that $2, those who bought at $2, they're in loss right now. Okay, so it's better to use DCA, okay, especially when you know that, okay, you don't really have like a backup plan or whatever. Okay, so as usual, I'm gonna buy 0.006. This one is 0.005. Yeah, so I'm gonna click on swap. I understand. Confirm. So what's the next meme coin that we are buying? I'm gonna show you on the screen right now. It's an old meme coin. It's been in existence for a very, very long time. Okay, and I think the meme coin, I got it for free through airdrop 2019 or 2020 or so, like $5 airdrop. And during bull run 2021, the previous bull run, that $5 turned to like $1,000. It was up to $1,000 then. So the coin I'm gonna be showing you is free coin. Okay, that's the meme coin we are buying right now. Okay, so free coin has been in existence for a very long period of time. So let's check the chart. So as you can see from the chart, it's currently in a deep shit. It's currently in a deep shit right now. So, and we're going to buy little right now, and if there is any hope, we buy more, okay, using this CA. So, but for now, what I'm saying is bearish, okay? So there's nothing bullish about Freecon right now. Absolutely, there's nothing bullish about it right now, okay? Just that this is actually the monthly time frame. So seems like it's found a support at this level, okay? So which we are going to capitalize on, all right? So no one knows if it's going to break below this level, the support level, or not. All right, or maybe it's going to hold. So you can see it has actually tested this support level several times. So once it tested it, it bounced back. All right, so let's see what's gonna happen if it retests it again. Maybe it's gonna bounce back, push upward, or it's gonna break below it. So but let's just go ahead and do it. Buy some. Okay, so I've copied the contract address. Copy. So let's go to OKX wallet. So I'm gonna click on BNB, swap, USDT, paste. So let's buy with 0.002. Yeah, that's $2 plus, which is equivalent to 38 million free coin. So I'm gonna click on swap via OKX text. Confirm. So you're done for today. Let me know in the comment section, guys, if you have questions, observation. Let me know. Drop your comments in the comment section. All right. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, guys. And the current market cap for free right now is actually $400,000. The liquidity is not locked. All right. So, and as I said earlier, it's an old meme coin. You can see Pierre created 4 years, 4 months, and 29 days ago. So thank you once again, guys. Until next time, peace out.